Hi friend, I hope you're having a great week. I'm Min and today I'm going to talk about my top 5 favorite foliage plant, and the first one is the one right next to me, which is a Monstera deliciosa. I love the fact that the leaves have splitting in it, which is called fenestration, and also the leaves are very large. My one is actually not the mature form, so that's why there's not as many fenestration in it, but I still absolutely adore it. And they do have these funky little roots, aerial roots that come out of the stem. I'm hoping in the future I will also be able to collect the Monstera albo and the Monstera Thai constellation. At the moment in Australia, they're still quite expensive. They go around about $400, and so hopefully later on the prices will come down for the type of Monstera. But the original form with the green leaves is still absolutely adorable. And if you like this kind of content so far, please hit the likes button and subscribe to the channel. Help your planty girl out so we can grow a plant community together. And I truly appreciate your support. The second plant I have to show is this one here, which is a newer plant I purchased about a week or two ago. And this is called a variegated australis. And I love the fact that the variegation on the leaves is more spotty. It's more like a green and yellow, green and yellow variegation. And also the stems are pink. And this plant here is more like a succulent type because the leaves feel more like a succulent, and it's quite shiny and smooth as well. And I haven't got any really care tips for this plant because I've only recently purchased it, but so far it seems to be quite happy. And then the next plant I would say is my third favorite foliage plant would be this one here, which are the Syngonium. I mean, Syngoniums with their abundant varieties, it's just so hard to say no to. And this one here is a Syngonium albo. For me, I think variegation wise, I think I like more of the white and green variegation. And this one here, I don't know if all Syngonium albo, but this one here actually has a slightly pink stem to it. But the main part of this plant is the absolutely gorgeous variegation on the leaves. So this one here is more of a mottling of green and white. And this one here is almost a half moon leaf. I also have other types of Syngonium, like the confetti or the neon. I think any type of Syngonium are absolutely gorgeous. The colouring of the leaves are absolutely beautiful, and just the variety that's available. And then the fourth, the second plant I would say on my list would be this one here, which is a Caladium Helio Beauty. I think any caladium are absolutely stunning. This one here is more of camouflage kind of pattern on the leaves. I only have one caladium because they're kind of relatively hard to actually purchase in Melbourne. They're more available in the other states of Australia. And this one here is also growing a little new leaf here, which is beautiful. And I have killed a couple of caladiums before I purchased this one, so I am getting better at it. And I love the fact that also caladium comes in abundant of variety, and also the colouring. The colouring on the leaves are absolutely stunning. I've seen some on Instagram that I just think, my goodness, this plant is almost unreal. Or has somebody gone and and painted the leaves, because the leaves are, the colouring, the white, the reds, it's just popping out. It's just beautiful. And I'm a begonia girl, so I have to say my top favorite foliage plant would have to be a begonia, whether it's a begonia rex or begonia the cane type. I have an example here. So this is one of my latest begonia purchase, and this one here has the red foliage underneath, which I'll lift it up, red foliage underneath, the darker green on the front, and also the splashes of, I would say, a pinky red splashes on the leaves. And who can say no to begonia? Well, certainly I can't say no to begonia. And I think for myself anyway, a cane begonia is easier to take care of, but I have grown my collection of Rex begonia. I think I've gotten better at taking care of it. But with the Rex type of begonia, I think the coloring of it, it's just so beautiful. They can come in pinks, in silver. They can have splashes of different variegation. And like I said, I'm a begonia girl. I can't put down, I can't say no to begonia. Yourself, do you have plants that you can't say no to? Or what's your favorite foliage plant? I'd love to read about it in the comment section down below. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, help your planty girl out so we can grow a plant community together. Thank you so much for watching this video. You take care. I'll see you next time. Bye.